Hi, this is Lindsay from Massachusetts with your weekly Bulldozer health tip. I would like to share with you a drink I've been doing for several months and it's made me feel just fabulous. I don't know, I feel like a superhuman. It's great. It's an apple cider vinegar honey drink. It's 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 3 teaspoons of honey, and some grated ginger, 10 ounces of water. You mix it all up and it's a great drink filled with a lot of wisdom. Fights acne, eczema, belly fat, alkaline levels, a lot of benefits. Look it up and take back your health, America.